I want to let you know that there are some transfers that result in no penalty, no period of ineligibility. So, for example, let's say you're a single person, you have a son who is on SSDI, which is a disability payment being received because maybe of a back injury. Well, Medicaid says you can give away all your countable assets to him and there's no penalty. Great. You just preserved all your assets. Now, if he's not your only beneficiary, then that makes it a little bit more complicated because he can't just thereafter go give half of it to his sister. There's got to be some period of time that passes, etc. And so you need an attorney to advise you on that. But that's just like one simple example. Other examples are, let's say you have a child who is actually on needs-based disability benefits. Let's say they're on SSI, they're a special needs child. You can create a trust for your child, put all your assets into that, meet Medicaid's requirements that say that this trust must be actuarially sound and pay out over the lifetime of your special needs child. Make sure it's a discretionary trust so that it meets the requirements of the government benefit rules. And you can give all your assets to benefit your child in this trust. So that is another option that's available. Other transfers that don't cause any period of ineligibility would be, let's say your child cared for you in your home for 2 years, because most people don't want to go to a facility. Most people want to stay at home, and oftentimes families help each other out. And the child is living with you in your home, providing care, and without this care, you wouldn't be able to live there on your own. So if that's the case, and if it's documented that the care was appropriate, you needed the care, and then you move from there to Medicaid without any interruption, in other words, with no private pay period, then you can transfer your house to your child, the caregiver child exemption, with no transfer penalty, no period of ineligibility. So that's another option. So what I'm saying is that Medicaid has these rules that says, no, you can't do this. And then there's exceptions. Well, yes, you can if this is a situation, if that is the situation. And so sometimes when we meet with clients, it's not a complicated plan. We find out that they have a son on SSDI and they're the only child. So it's an easy Medicaid plan. Other plans are not so easy, but it's important that when you're thinking about you or somebody you know or a loved one, they need long-term care, trying to figure out how Medicaid pays, you can watch all of these YouTube videos, read all of the books, do all of the research, and I can tell you with confidence that you will not have the right Medicaid plan. I'm sorry. You've got to be an elder law attorney with Medicaid expertise who can create the plan.